Hi guys, welcome back to my channel English with Abeeha Noor. So yes, I'm tired of using the word very. This is very good. This is very bad. This is very easy. This is very tasty. Now the word very is quite overused and stop using this. In this video, I'm going to give you other alternatives for the word very. Very big, massive. Some stars more massive than the sun. Very small, petite. A petite young lady. If a girl is very thin or small in figure, then you can call her a petite lady. Very boring, dull. Chemistry lectures are mostly dull. Now, this is for me. If you like chemistry, then don't take it too hard. Very exciting, exhilarating. Hopefully, my first parachute jump will be exhilarating. Very noisy, deafening. Speakers are so deafening. Very calm, serene. Nature is quite serene. The word serene itself is so serene. Now I think we had enough serenity. Let's move on to the next word. Very poor, destitute. A destitute old man. A destitute man because he had a loss in business. Very rich, wealthy. Unfortunately, Pakistan is not among the wealthy nations, wealthy countries of the world. Very clean, spotless. I need the room spotless. Now you can also name your pet as spotless if it is of single color. It don't include a dot of any other color, completely brown or white or black, then you can call it spotless. Just imagine saying, sit here spotless, catch it spotless, eat it spotless, do this spotless. Okay, very dirty, filthy. It hurts when I see the streets of my country filthy. Okay, very short, brief. The meeting was quite brief. Very tall, towering. Pine trees are towering. Very difficult, arduous. This task was quite arduous. Very easy, effortless. This work needs effortless power. Very dry, arid. This region is arid. Very wet, soaked. Oh, look at your shirt. It's soaked with sweat. Oh, don't go out in rain. You will be soaked. It means that you will be wet. Very happy, ecstatic. Now, the word ecstatic is the highest level of happiness. And if I give example, then the team was ecstatic upon receiving the final cup. It means that they were at the extreme of happiness. Obviously, it includes so much energy, so much hard work, so much days, and so much time to achieve a World Cup. So obviously, if a team will get it, it will be ecstatic. Very sad, sorrowful. Sorrowful. Goodbyes are mostly sorrowful, or the news was so sorrowful. Very slow, sluggish. Just like snails, some people are very sluggish. Oh, I just used the word very. Don't use it, okay? Just like snails, the people are sluggish. Most people, not all. Very quick, rapid. Sensodyne rapid action. Now I thought this was the best example I could give. Sensodyne rapid action, we all are aware of it, okay? So this was all for today. I hope that from now on you will stop using the word very. Until next time, this is Abeeha Noor signing off. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care of yourselves and those around you.